Welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and this video is for Virgo for the year 2021. How are you all, Virgo? How are you doing? This 2021 is bringing a lot of changes in each zodiac sign because I've done a couple of readings already posted and I am doing Virgo right now and I'm already feeling intuitively that the eagerness to know future is too high in your side. So for that, I'm going to post this reading. Before that, I would like to thank you all for joining in my channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram with the same name, E3Sonia, and you can always book me for personal consultations. My details are mentioned in the description box. So I'm a clairaudient and a clairvoyant, and I've already got one card for you, that is 10 of Wands. So definitely some of you are like just closing a complete cycle because it's 10 is a completion. So you're closing a cycle, you're moving away from something, and I think you've moved on from something in 2020. So the theme of the year would be just taking everything in consideration and summarizing everything and taking a practical step. Also, I want to say that all your confusions are ending because I'm channelizing the messages and I'm getting that some of you were confused about some path and you are getting a clarity. You're very clear now what steps have to be taken. That last wand, the last wand was missing to take, but now this clarity has given you that power to move on. So I think Virgo, some clarity, some confrontation, some truth revelation, something has happened which has brought you here. You were emotionally connected with someone, definitely, and I feel that relationship or that bond was not turning out the way you wanted it. And you are hurt with that information, but you also feel happy that this is it and I can move on. So maybe you were done with that entire thing, and now you feel that there's no point waiting and looking at those two cups rather than you are looking at the spilled cups, mourning over it, but then you're done. You really want to move on. Your energy is such that some of you have stoned yourself. You've literally stoned yourself and you're just freezing your emotions for this person. Whatever is left, you're freezing that emotion as well because you know nothing is going to work out the way you want it. Also, I'm getting a message that worries are over. So maybe some of you were worrying for something and that worry is just over. You're through with that and you are out of that worrying zone. Your path is directed to some other channel now. So I think that you will get some some big clarity which will give you a new path completely. A new path is opening. Your life purpose. Some of you will get to know what is your life purpose, or maybe you're seeking that from a long time. What is my life purpose? What is the thing I'm here for? And you will get that guidance, you will get that clarity. That clarity is important to Virgo in every sector. It could be love, it could be career, it could be life purpose, but generically I think you will definitely get that clarity that what exactly I should be getting in my life, or I should just move towards. Also, I feel that your consent on something will be important. So maybe some separation which you people do mutually, your consent will be there. So maybe you were not willing to leave someone before this year, and now you're giving a consent. It's going to be mutual then from both the sides. Your half year, like half 2021, half of that year is going to take bit toll on your health because of your mental pressure, but then you will release that pressure and move on. So it's an ongoing energy. I feel some long-term thing which is going to settle in 2021, and you focus more towards your work and career now than your emotions, which is a theme of many readings, I would say, because I think the cycles are ending. In 2020, this pandemic was also a great signal of something ending. So yeah, all right, let's get on to your reading. And back to back I'm getting this card, this is 4 of Wands. So definitely some sort of partnership is ending, or is going to start after ending some other partnership, you know. So the theme is that this is going to be, and of course we got other cards also saying the same, that you stopped mourning on that situation or relationship. The pain is healed, or maybe you have chosen to move away from that person. Also, I get one more card that is very clear that you're moving away. You're moving away and you're looking in some other direction. Also, I feel that you're getting opportunities from some other places, some far, long distance places, and maybe you're interested in traveling and finding and soul searching, because Six of Swords is also there. So you have put the fencing there so that nobody can use you emotionally, but then you are doing your soul searching. You're hiding your pain inside. So it's a very mixed energy, Virgo, where you know that you have to move on. That is good for you. So you're becoming your own hermit. You're becoming your own guru and guiding yourself to move forward. And yeah, definitely you have won. So you have struggled in something like big time. A lot of wants means a lot of struggle you've done in that sector. Emotionally, it could be a partnership, it could be a marriage. I'm sorry about that. It could be a marriage, because I feel that you expected something to happen like positive, but then this news or this confrontation or this clarity gives you that clear insight that this relationship is not serving you any purpose and you will move away. I feel that moving away with clarity is important rather than just being ditched or left out, or just not even clear that why this happened. So it's better that you always get a closure and you move. That is very, very important. Let's get on to your reading through tarot and let's see that what is coming up. Most of you are under stress. I feel that energy is now settling. You were under stress in night. Maybe some of you cry because you want emotions. You want somebody to love you, somebody to give you that emotion. And it's like you're really feeling weak, emotionally. Let's check in 2021, what is the challenge for you? I think it is already clear that you have to move. I think something going to maybe stop you in between. Maybe this person shows back and you are now in a dilemma. What to do? I really thought it's over. That I'm getting intuitively. We'll open the cards after my intuitive reading. And what is that positive side of 2021? The luck sector. What is supporting you? Manifestations. You're strongly manifesting something is going to happen. It is going to be, I think, in your career. I think in your overall energy is like you will get something which you were manifesting from a long time. Okay, so what is a major event which is going to happen in your 2021? What is the divine guidance for you? I feel a lot of energies are around you. So people will tell you this you should do, that you should do. A lot of people telling you things to be done, and discussions will happen. You will take insights from people. You will feel like taking right action. So you want to consult people, family, and you want to know that I'm going right or not. So the struggle is facing the truth. But I feel the struggle or the challenge is really less for you, Virgo, because I think in 2020 you have done it. I'm getting this energy that you are dealing with this kind of struggle from past, and now you are like kind of prepared, because the Sun card with the Page of Wands is Knight of Wands is very clear that you have got another passion in your life. Could be possibly that you are getting another person in your life and you're very passionate for that. Your King of Swords in the challenge position says that the past person is very tricky, is very blunt. Or it could be that your situation was very tricky and it was literally like a struggle for you to face that situation. But now you are facing it. You're giving it the right answer. You're standing in your own power. Then we have Sun card and the Page of Wands. So very clear that the energy has shifted so much from this to this. Sun card says new opportunities and your energies are better. Better in terms of facing the reality. You are well invested in something you're passionate about. So this is where you're moving and this is what you are leaving behind, this bitter truth. And you have understood that why this has happened with you and how you will move on. You have understood that completely, Virgo. So I think the challenge would be the passion you have. It could also be that some of you are still connected to that person physically or feeling passionate for that person. So could be possible that person was showing you passion physically and you're not getting any other partner that passionate for you, so you're still thinking about that person, but you internally know that apart from that there's no other purpose this relationship is serving, so you want to move away. Also, Sun card says that your energies have become vibrant. You have suddenly become visible and very like positive. People find you attractive, people find some aura change in you, and you are also recollecting that sometimes in the past you were like that. Because of this relationship you were lost and now you're back in your form. Good news is are on the way. You're feeling pampered, childish, so maybe you're in a new group of people, or you are you with your family or somebody who's giving you real good environment. So challenge is only to understand that getting something from this relationship will not make it 100%. So you have to understand the challenge. What is the positive side, positivity which you're getting? So I feel that some past connection which you always thought as a friend, or maybe you liked that person but that time this didn't work out or didn't manifest. Now you're moving towards that person. This person is offered to you by the divine. It could relate to some of you that you're meeting this person again. This person is back in your life again, and this time you are accepting them. So maybe the moving away from this person to another person is when you connect with this old person. And the Queen of Swords and Chariot says that you are finding balance with this person. This person is well balanced, well managed, and you like this energy. You like this kind of a person who is really well balanced. So the balance in the past relationship was missing, and now you are literally ready for it. You know, you're using your mind in your emotions. Basically, you are understanding that even if you're attached with the past, your mind is telling you to move to this new person who's coming from your past. It could be like this person has just showed up again like a friend, and now you are calculating it and you want to move to this person. So universe is giving you guidance that you should move towards this person. Also, it could be that you meet this person during travel because the Chariot is there. But what intuitively I'm getting with these cards is that you are using your mind to understand what sort of relationship you should be in, and you want to offer this cup. Maybe this past person likes you, and now you're thinking that better to go with this person because this person as a person is well balanced. As a person can give you a lot more positivity and happiness than the past. So you're kind of comparing and moving in the right direction. Also, you become practical. Virgo is a sign of analysis. You will analyze everything. You will think a lot. But when it comes with swords, it's like just declaring it, that I'm moving ahead with this. It's a declaration. So yes, you are. And the theme was also 10 of Wands. You are absolutely moving away from this partnership. The major event which is going to happen. Major event, I feel it's going to be a struggle in the marriage, because people who are married, this seems like that partnership, the marriage is going to go in a down phase, and it's going to be a struggle. So maybe now you will start telling this person that I don't want to be with you, because you were just thinking that maybe life will go on like this from a while, but now you have this new friend or the old friend coming as a partner. You are becoming confident, you are becoming hopeful, and you've got that 10th wand to move ahead. And now this person, whosoever you were connected with, is in a mood to actually fight with you, because they are not expecting this kind of movement from you. They want to be in this marriage, because we have got the Hierophant card, that is itself the marriage. This marriage is going to be an event, so I think there will be fight, there will be a lot of struggle to break through this marriage, or fight to sustain this marriage from the other side, from the other person. So it could be that this person now feels that no, you are the one I want to be with, and you are like very much clear that you don't want to be with, and this is going to be in struggle. So the major event would be discussions regarding this marriage, that how to separate with this person and how to sustain this marriage from the other side. This is the event, but still I think that 2021, the completion is not there. For some of you, it is going to be a discussion. You might take it legal, but the completion is still not there. It is going in a down phase, in a negative phase for sure. A lot of fights and a lot of confrontations, bitter things are coming. But still, this marriage breaking, if you are planning this partnership to be broken or this marriage to be broken, you have to be literally firm and very, very clear, because this person might come back and would want you only. What is the divine guidance? Divine guidance, I strongly get that divine wants you to move on, because you have Hanged Man. You were thinking, introspecting about this relationship from a very long time, not getting any big result as such. 9 of Wands, this person, this relationship has made you literally suffer, waited from a long time for receiving anything good. And these 9 wands are like a preparatory phase to end this cycle, to reach to this 10 of wands. So there was no love as such, there was no connection as such. Even if it was, you never felt it. And this is struggle the divine wants to completely move away from this kind of situation. And then you have Star card. So your planets are going to support you for sure. You will get ample amount of positivity to do this, which you missed out maybe in the past. So Star card says that be in your power, and your happiness is going to get amplified, Virgo, because you will be happy throughout the process of just even getting out of it, because you're getting attention from somebody else. That natural pampering, nurturing and connect is there from another person, which is giving you that strength to move away from this person. And divine is also giving you planetary support. So I feel that that's how you will be out from this Hanged Man position, and you will move towards Star. And yes, you're going to move away from this situation. Yeah, I also feel that the person you were connected with, it could be male, female, doesn't matter in the generic reading. This person was very smart. This person was very smart and is very smart, and you could not understand the smartness in the initial thing. They actually played with your mind, and now that you know it, they are scared, because now everything like a chess they were playing, now it's not going to be the same. Now they won't be able to actually fool you. They won't be able to show you what they always tried, and you got actually carried away with that thought that maybe they are good for you. But now you're done. That energy is there that I can get better, I can get many options. So that is there with this entire reading. I'm getting that you have to focus first that what you want. Hierophant is telling me that yes, it is about marriage, it's about a deep connect or maybe a karmic connect with this person. Also divine, the event is about marriage or this connect. So in this entire year, this is going to play a big role. But what you have to do is you have to just become positive in taking this step, and you have to be very clear that I want to take this step if you want to. Because reconnecting with this person will also give you the same thought, and you will be back to the same thing. Because the marriage is anyways going into a negative phase. And Hierophant also tells me that this was a karmic connection with this person, and you want now freedom because you're moving towards this Chariot. So it could be a Cancer. sign person, or it could be a Leo, it could be a Virgo also, Taurus. Yeah, these signs are very important in your reading. I feel that you want to move to the person could be of these signs, sun, moon and ascendant signs. So I hope you're getting a clarity on this. Your steps will matter, your thought process will matter. Think about it, move in the right direction, take right support. This person would want to hold you back, so think about it and take actions. I hope you like my reading. I hope you understand the situation and take actions. My work is to guide you and help you. If you need any personal outlook on your matter, you can message me, you can DM me, you can email me. And monthlies also give you a clarity about it for sure. Also, I'm coming up with some new sort of videos. This is for medical science, because I am a clairvoyant, audient, as well as I'm an empath. So I get a lot of gifts from universe to heal people in their diseases, in the mental and the physical health. So I will be coming up with those videos. So if you have any sort of, or if you have someone who's going through some major problem, you can always share my channel link to them, and you can always direct this energy to them, because maybe they need help. This community is built only to help and to circulate the information from all the dimensions, so that each one of us can have a better life. And I'm always happy to help. Thank you, take care, and see you soon.